Can you guess which colour band I got for the HydroKnit? Have a think, you're going to find out shortly. It's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the Whoop HydroKnit band. Let's dive straight into it. Let's open this. There is this slick looking box. It's got a nice texture to it. Very lightweight, very simple, very minimal. As I open this, can you guess which colour band I got for the HydroKnit? Have a think, you're going to find out shortly. Not again. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Haha, surprise! I know you must have been thinking I went for a different colour, but I went for the black. I know you are probably thinking, what? Why did you get the black again? Well, let me tell you. I went for the night swim, as it's called, because as I mentioned in my previous video, which was the super knit video, there's no other way to put it, the super knit smells very fast and takes a long time to dry. Simple as that. I don't know if it's because I've wore my super knit quite a few times, which of course would contribute to it slightly, but I can't say that much difference in the color change. But this one looks a lot darker, and also I can see instantly that the material looks better. It just, I don't know, like it looks like a small square mesh material if you look closely. And when I run my finger across it, it feels way smoother. Yeah, the quality of this one, it feels much better, high quality, I must say. Okay, let me take my 4.0 off because I want to show you a close-up and just see if you can see the texture difference and color difference. The color difference is not so important, to be honest, but the texture difference, the way it looks and the way it feels is much different. So this one here is the super knit, and this one here is of course the new HydroKnit. This one just, it feels way better. This one, looking back, this one feels cheap now compared to this one. So yeah, this is the latest upgrade by Whoop. Let me put my 4.0 back on. Now, the HydroKnit is just what I need. Why? Because it dries twice as fast as the super knit. It's perfect if you are doing water sports or if you are doing different water activities, such as washing the dishes. And of course, not to forget, showering. Why is that? Because the HydroKnit retains 30% less water. The HydroKnit costs around $49 currently and about $40 for Whoop members. It currently comes in about 8 different colors. As I mentioned, this is the night swim color. It's made from 8% elastane and 92% polyester. Not only that, it's a one size fits all. You can feel how stretchy this one is. So no doubt this one is going to dry super fast. Now I would say for standard typical weather, less than 30 minutes. For those who live in warmer, hotter climates like myself, I would say this could take between 10 to 15 minutes to dry. If you are thinking, is that price really worth it for just a band? Well, it all depends on you and your finances. Because if you already have a Whoop, then most likely you have better finances than the average person, because these Whoops ain't too cheap and they are not easy to get a hold of. Most people do not have these. They normally go for alternative health tracker devices. Whoop's most popular customer is those who are most disciplined, which of course means the top athletes in the world, or those who just want to improve and focus on their health, fitness and overall well-being. And of course, if you've got the to afford it. If you need something that dries very quickly, then this is the one for you. Thanks for watching my videos. Check out my other videos. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel for more.